be Femme Queen, sexy performance. Not taken away from any of the modern girls, but when you first started voguing, when you first got introduced to the art of female Vogue impersonation, it was all about being soft and cunt. It was all about sensuality and sexuality, and only a few girls were able to transcend that for what it was, to what it became, and to how it should always remain. Because you could never, never, never stop being cunt. I don't care how much masculinity or up top you think you are, Miss Thing, but there's a bit of that C-U-N-T in there somewhere. And you know it, Miss Thing. So, with that being said, put your hands up and give it up for our first judge. He is now an internationally known performer, the overall father of the House of Ninja. DJ, give me a beat. This is Javier. Really want to take it around the world. Really want to take it around the world. Really want to take it around the world. Then it just strikes in your head. The world.